Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window, simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Go to search bar and type here cmd, run as administrator, select as. Now these commands are very important. To avoid mistakes, you will get all these commands from the description below. Just copy and paste on the command prompt and hit enter to execute them. Once done, close command prompt window. Again go to search bar, type services, click here to open it. Now scroll down, right click on Windows search and go to properties. Select startup type as manual, then click on apply and then OK. Again try to disable it. Once done, again go to search bar and type File Explorer, click here to open it. Go to C drive, then go to Windows folder, scroll down, go to System Apps folder, again scroll down and select this file. It is from Microsoft Windows Search CW file, and so we need to rename it and just add 01 at the end and hit enter. Again rename this file, also add 01 and hit enter and close this window. Again go to search bar, type registry editor and click here to open it, select S. Now expand HK current user, then expand software folder, expand Microsoft folder, just scroll down and then expand Windows folder, expand current version. From that just scroll down and select policies expanded and select Explorer folder. On the right side right click and create a new value and name it as disable search box suggestions. Right click on it, select modify and change the value data as to 1 and click on OK. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video, God bless.